Rise and shine. Good morning. So right now we are arriving in Half Moon Cay or Key. This is our third day of our cruise and we have been enjoying ourselves. And I hope that you have been enjoying our videos as well. So we did not get to really enjoy the island like we wish we could have because a storm came through. And of course we're going to show you that in the video. But in the meantime, if you haven't already, don't forget to, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You coming? You running? Because of the storm? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. It's soft though. Huh? I see. Come on, guys.
Il problema è che non prendono la barca.
You can't even get a ship, Mama. I'm coming.
Yep, it didn't stop raining until it was time to leave Half Moon Cay.
Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, girl. Go, 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 go. We're still at the island of Half Moon Cay, but it started raining, so we ended our day in on Mass because we're sailing away from the island of Half Moon Cay. Sailing away, we're sailing away, we're sailing away from Half Moon Cay. We're off to Nassau. We'll be there in the morning. Sailing away, we're sailing away, we're sailing away from Half Moon Cay. We're on our way to Nassau. We will be there in the morning. So hopefully it won't rain like it did at Half Moon Cay. Water everywhere. Huh? For real?
Come on, folks. Who is ready for the showdown? Please give it up for all the way from St. Lucia. It's your comedy club host, Papa.
Make some noise.
Should we say Yaman?
Yeah, man, they know the rules.
Okay.
What do you say when I ask you a question?
Easy. All right, so here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna split y'all up. We're just here to have some fun, play a little game, okay? So everybody on this side, you are on my team, okay? So everybody on that side, you're on Popo's team.
That's what I'm talking
Come on, everybody on my team. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. We have to give y'all team names. So y'all will be Team Half Moon K. We will be Team Nassau. Exactly, that's why y'all suck. So y'all can go over there.
Yes, they did suck.
I'm sorry about the weather,
Guys, we're
guys.
gonna change this around, don't worry. We're gonna show them, don't worry.
Okay, that's fine. All right, so we all have to have our own chant. So what's your chant gonna be, Popo, when y'all win a round? If you do win a round, what's it gonna be?
It's gonna be go half moon, go half moon, go.
That's stupid. Okay, go ahead, do it.
Alright, let's try this with me. Go half moon, go half moon, go!
All right, that's fine. Okay, here's ours. So everyone, when we win a round, you don't have to stand right now, but when we win, we will stand up and then we're gonna say, boom, there it is, okay? And then you have to go, boom, there it is, all right? Let's try it. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! There.
He stood, so does she. All right, so now we are looking for some team captains. So I need a team captain from this side and a team. All you have to do is rearrange yourself in a, let's say, a moment, a picture, or I guess a frozen frame. So what you'll do is you're gonna get into position and you're gonna act this moment out, but you can't do anything, you can't make any noise, you can't move or anything like that. So you have 10 seconds to reposition yourself, both of you guys, okay? First grade group class photo, okay? So you got 10 seconds to position yourself, so everybody needs to be doing something in this frozen frame, okay? So go, 10 seconds. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, 1 minute. Oh, go! More. 1 point. All right, isn't she? Oh, you definitely have enough time for everyone to go. Oh, not everyone can beat this. All right, seconds left. Oh, okay. 10 seconds. Keep going. Okay, okay, 1 point. All right, come on, y'all. Nassau, make some noise for your team.
I like it. And
You gotta make sure everybody at least gets one chance to go. Someone seems skilled. You okay, K-Dog?
I like it.
Go forward. There we go. Hurry. It's okay. All right, come on, y'all. Okay. Oh, yes.
Please let me back your.
We're on my team. Dang it. All right, that's okay. We gotta take it.
Mamas, don't let your baby grow up to be a cowboy. Somebody come get her. She dancing like a shred.
As far as I'm concerned, you're just another picture to burn.
jingle bells, jingle bells.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Well, rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel.
You better lose yourself in the music the moment you want it. You better never let it go. They hate our love, want to see us fall.
Shake it off, shake it off.
I love rock and roll. When I'm in that jalopy.
broke up. I thought you loved me. We should live together. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Do I know you?
What have you done with my machine?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. What machine?
The power of the sun.